Leicester City has signed Patson Daka in £23 million deal from Red Bull Salzburg on 5-year term contract. He is a Zambian footballer, just 22 years old, and plays as a forward for Red Bull Salzburg. Now, Red Bull Salzburg is Austrian league, also called as Austrian Bundesliga. In 125 appearances for Salzburg, Daka managed to find the net 68 times with 27 assists. Now listen to this, his goals have helped the Austrian side to win 4 successive league titles and a total of 7 trophies in 4 seasons. In 2020-21 Austrian league season, he was the top goal scorer. He managed to find the net 27 times out of 28 appearances, and also he was the player of the season. Now Leicester City is one of the clubs in Premier League who has managed to secure such good deals, such good transfer deals, and I am sure Patson Daka is going to be one of them. He is one of them. Now he is very quick on ball and he has a lot of pace and his finishing is brilliant, and he's also projected as long-term successor to Jamie Vardy. Patson Daka has played with this generation sensation, and that is Erling Haaland. Erling Haaland, Minamino and Patson Daka used to play for Red Bull Salzburg together. Takumi Minamino was sold to Liverpool, whereas Erling Haaland went to Dortmund. Now if we compare Daka with Minamino and Haaland, then it can turn out to be in any way. About Takumi Minamino, he took his time to adjust in Liverpool, to adjust in Premier League. So it might become difficult for Daka to adjust in Premier League because he has played in Austrian Bundesliga, and comparatively Premier League is more competitive. So there's a possibility he might take some time to adjust, just like Minamino did. But on the other hand, there is another example, and that is Erling Haaland. He went to Dortmund and he shined in Dortmund and did not take time at all to adjust. In 43 appearances of Haaland in Dortmund, he managed to get 40 goals. Even this can happen, that Daka won't take time at all to adjust in the atmosphere, in the environment of Premier League. But there is no doubt that Leicester City has outshined in this summer transfer window because Patson Daka is a very smart and sensible signing for Leicester City. Imagine the kind of attack that Leicester City can have under Brendan Rodgers when Patson Daka also comes in the picture. There is Harvey Barnes, there is Jamie Vardy, and also Madison. So they can use different permutation and combination and get something of this. And Leicester City just won their first ever FA Cup trophy last season, and they would obviously want to retain that, to defend that. So young players like Patson Daka and these sensible signings will be of a lot of use in the next season in different competitions that they are going to be, and he will be easily and very nicely useful. But yes, he might take time. Now for Brendan Rodgers, using Patson Daka in his very first game in playing 11 might become difficult, so it's better that he should adjust to the environment of Premier League, because it's actually very different than other leagues. So he should get comfortable in the environment and then just give it all, because this is one of the very, very good signings that Leicester City has done. Jamie Vardy has been very significant in Leicester City, and having his successor as Patson Daka would be very, very good. Let's see how he does in Premier League. Can't wait to see his style of play.